So what we got here then, and you're on film?
That is a 1956 60 horsepower 356 engine.
It looks like it's from 56. It looks like it's been dug out of a pit somewhere. Oh my God! You can't believe that this was a performance engine of its time.
No.
Look at it; it's hardly anything. Is that all there is?
That's it. It's missing a bit of timber and an exhaust, but it's
19.
really complete. It's really complete.
Yeah.
Full of apart.
So our job here is that Graham will take this apart, rebuild it, make it look like new, make it go better than new. That's the deal. And then we've got to reinstall it in the customer's car. Oh, that's cool. That is, it's ugly, but it's cool.